All right, boys. Put you down. All right. So we ended up getting the coffees. It took a little while because this new place doesn't have a drive-through, but we're a little late. I got 2 of these caramel macchiatos. Haven't tried it yet, so I don't know if Joey's a coffee person. He's down to just try new places in general. Same. Park that Big Mac truck in this tiny garage. Grab this one. Grab this one. This one is hers. What up, yo? I went to that new coffee spot.
Did you? How is it?
This one isn't that bad. Oh yeah.
You're looking at it, dude.
Yeah.
Where's this at?
Right across from Baker's, yeah.
On the backside?
This is what we're doing today. He has his brake pads, his rotors in here from R1 Concept. Same with his brake pads, also from R1 Concept. You're chilling right there. So I haven't done much to my Subi. Honestly, I'm just waiting to get some more money in, get that bank account set right. But for now, I put this Subi flow banner. Looks pretty nice from the inside. I have a black one. He has the white one. I wanted the reverse cut because after being in his car, I'm like, dude, this looks pretty cool. And I've never had a banner before neither. Ooh, so these are what his rotors gonna look like. These are his other rotors. I'm not sure what the benefits are. I know for sure that the brakes are gonna be a lot more cooler since, you know, it's drilled and slotted. Your shit's probably settled in now, huh? Your coils?
Oh, yeah.
Because I noticed your rear looked a little bit lower.
Yeah. I think that's rubbing from my tire. There?
Oh, yeah, right there, huh? Right. A little much there, yeah. Probably. But if you guys didn't see his last video, I'll link that in the description because we did his BC coilovers and his LCAs. Obviously, we have to take the caliper off. We're pretty much new to this. We've never did a rotor before, but I know we took the caliper off. I haven't even seen any videos on this at all. So we're literally just gonna fucking wing it. But yeah, this is what I wanted to change on my Subi because I think mine is just as small or is smaller than this one because it's fucking tiny. So we're taking the caliper off. What are the 2 sizes right there?
This right here, they're 14s.
14 the top and
That
the
are
bottom.
holding pretty much the brake pads onto the caliper.
At least that we somewhat know. Have you seen any videos on this?
Have I seen any videos?
Yeah.
I have, but to be honest, I haven't watched it in a minute, so I'm going off of what I think.
Yeah. We're just gonna disassemble. If anything, we're gonna rewatch the video, see how we disassembled it, and then just reassemble it. I wonder what this is right here.
It's actually just a cap to service your e-brake.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Dang.
Checked like.
Oh, okay.
These rear ones though. You use this. No, that's what I see. To get it off, and make sure your e-brake is off because this is where your e-brake holds your fucking car. And these are the bolts from the fucking
Oh shit, yeah, and so, right, you put that in, and then you
Give it a
fucking,
little twist, yeah.
and that will just like help it from not like coming out all the way.
That'll actually help it help it come out.
Oh shit,
Instead
okay.
of like beating on it and trying to fucking pull it. But
So you just keep screwing it in these, and then that
Yeah.
that shit just pops out? That's tight.
yeah, but it fucked up my nut right here.
Oh fuck. I told you we're gonna be here for hours. But remember, it's always like that. Every project is like that. Whatever you think you're gonna finish it, add like 1 or 2 hours on top of that, and you'll be chilling. Time flies by when you want to get shit done. Oh, that's going down right there.
Yeah. So what I did was I opened up my reservoir. Pretty much until it stops. I just don't want to fuck my threads up in my front caliper. Probably maybe like a pound or two.
Oh, not
Nothing
too
crazy,
noticeable.
yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. How's this
Be
supposed
that easy.
It's pretty fucking good though. One thing I hate, absolutely hate, about these stock wheels, their fucking size is dumb as hell. I think it's like 17 by 8 plus 50 offset or some shit like that. I'll put it right here to be more exact, but the gap is fucking huge. My 905 ain't cutting it with the money. I need to lower my car.
It's the only fucking thing that I hate is like when you run into complications.
Yeah, had us in the first half.
I wonder whenever I press the brake, it'll come back out.
They look more flush than like how they were before. Now that you pump the brake, this shit ain't moving now. That's good.
Right?
But what he did was he pumped the brakes. It kind of reduced the travel of the caliper, and we just pretty much tightened it as much as we can until we could get like a torque wrench.
Alright, so right here, these are like the wear indicators.
Yeah, see
And
that's.
I still actually got decent fucking padding on this.
Yeah.
And I have 65,000 miles, and I have not touched my rotors or my brakes.
We actually found these two little.
Fucking bolts, so I don't have to use the ones from the caliper. I don't have to stress about that stripping.
Tight. Hopefully no problems with this one. We're gonna finish up this rear. As soon as that's done, we'll move to the fronts, and I'll catch you guys again. Motherfucker. Lift this up to the front.
And just put it up all the way to the
Yeah. Start. Yay. Making good time right now. So this is what I've been wanting to do for my car recently before I lowered it. I do want to get like these little side skirts to match the front lip. And then I want to get this little rear lip right here. That it's like pretty much, it just only goes on this back piece right here. With that, just that little piece, it's like 120 bucks. I was like, fuck, that's expensive, but I I want to do it. I want to do that and that so it matches the lip all the way around. Look pretty nice. I'm glad I got blue. I've been wanting blue for the longest time. If I didn't get blue, I was gonna get white. If I wasn't gonna get white, I was gonna get black. If I wasn't gonna get black, I was gonna get BRZ. But I'm glad that I didn't get a BRZ, only because I was calculating it. For the BRZ, I'll be paying the same amount for insurance and the car as with the WRX. And I was like, I might as well get a WRX. I like it a little bit better. All-wheel drive, turbo, sick. So it's just the same as the rear. So it's just
pretty much the two on the caliper that are actually holding it, and the two that are mounting to the actual knuckle. Take those off. Same shit with these. They told me to break the process of breaking it in is I have to go like 50 and I have to kind of jam the brakes a little bit all the way till we stop at 10.
Any noticeable differences?
Honestly, it feels like fucking braking is better.
Yeah.
Because I wasn't even like slapping it.
Oh, I heard the little squeaks.
Yeah,
that's the film.
I can smell it too.
Is that what smells like a barbershop?
I think so.
Does that smell? Is that you?
That was
you
me.
smell that? You smell that?
Watch, look, the smoke will come up right now. See it?
Oh shit. Let's see if we can fucking record that shit, see if I can.
That me?
That little light.
Oh no, it's that car behind me.
Oh.
Oh no, it's like, what the fuck is that? You don't hear nothing though, do you? Squeaking, rubbing. Nah.
Nah, not really. Check out the rear.
See how it's like that? Don't came off now? They don't look as good.
I'm like,
Because it used to be the same color as
oh
that.
yeah. Maybe that's what that smoke was.
Probably.
Whew. What's going on, guys? This is a couple days after we did the brakes and the disc for the red Subi. Let me show you what else I guys got. Like, I was gonna do a whole video on this, but it literally took like 1 minute to install. But today we're gonna be installing a lip on my buddy's BMW. I ended up getting this blow-off valve. I like it because it's adjustable. I got the Go Fast Bits blow-off valve. I'll link it in the description below. This little thingy, right now I have it set to 50-50, just so like you can hear it a little bit. But most of the time I do run it full circulating, just so like it knows how to calculate the air and all that. Because if it doesn't, when it's on 50-50, it does backfire a lot, which is it's pretty cool. But you know, I'm just like a little worried for it, but it's all fine. We're waiting for him to roll up right now. Oh, there he is. The only thing about my jack that I'm worried about, it's not a low profile. Hopefully I have some wood blocks lying around the house so we can lift it up. What's up, yo?
What's up, dog? It's like 50 bucks.
That's not bad. A lip is a lip. You're gonna be scraping it anyways. Oh, it's a 3-piece.
Yeah.
Holy shit, I've never done a 3-piece before.
I can only pop it one time. Yeah, I'm supposed to get my valve tomorrow.
Hell yeah. Because he also got a diverter valve for his BMW, made by Go Fast Bits as well. They make some pretty good quality stuff. Oh man, I just see these hands, bro. These chunky hands. So where do you want to get the stuff at? You want to go Walmart or? Yeah, we'll stop by Walmart first. Yeah. Let's get the driving. We met up too at our old high school. So the only people here right now are the staff because of COVID. I was vaping before I bought the Subaru, so. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's so loud. I've never seen a lip like that before. Like I've never installed a lip that's 3 pieces. So I'm not sure. I didn't look in the box to see if it had hardware. Hopefully it did come with some, but we're also gonna get double-sided tape, and we're also gonna get some self-tappers just in case, just to get like that Fitment A1. Some of you guys asking too why I use a harness. So like after a week or two after I bought the car, the seatbelt buckle like got stuck and it doesn't work anymore. The seatbelt won't like click in, which kind of sucks. But I had these from my last build, so I was like, okay, cool, I could just like throw it in free of charge. This thing backfires like crazy. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it backfires like crazy. Oh shit, that Tesla's pretty nice. Let me show you guys. Thing has some wheels on them. So it took us like 3 stores to find what we're looking for the double-sided tape. And we might not even use it, but we're gonna try. Check out what I copped at O'Reilly's. I copped the NSX from part 4 from Mia and Suki's S2K. This is dope. I wanna get that R33 from Tokyo Drift. If they had a Hans RX-7, oh my god, somebody sent me that. Oh, guns. Let's go. So this is 3 pieces. See, it did come with some hardware. Oh wait, look, it has like these holes for it.
Oh shit. Like I haven't even looked at it.
Me neither.
I just unboxed it. And then...
Oh. Let me see if we could jack up your car first.
Oh, there's no
You might be too low. You are too low. What? More? Fuck. Some jack stand?
Jack stand and jack. Someone have to keep using yours.
Oh. Hey, it is like that. That fits pretty good right there.
Maybe.
Try to go slow. Turn it to your left. Is all the way down. And then go do the other side right here in the rear. Just lift it up enough to take the jack out. Alright, bro, lower it. Sick, bro. That looks way more aggressive. Dude, that looks mean. Compared to like what it was before, that looks way more aggressive, dude, in the front.
I like those little splitters in the middle. It makes it look aggressive.
He also bought a diverter valve. We didn't really start till like 5. How do you like it? You know what's crazy? It looks like so much different with just like a little lid.
Is it aggressive?
I haven't seen it.
It's
It's kind of hard only because it's a small space.
Oh shit, those are Allen wrenches too, dude. How do you reach that freaking bolt over there?
You have to go up. You gotta take out this type of thing.
No, but see, like this. So you see that bolt that's in there?
Oh yeah.
How do you fucking reach that? It's an Allen wrench.
That's the volume.
Yeah, that's cool. That looks hard. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it a day, and then we'll pick up again once the diverter valve comes in, and we'll install that, and we'll make a video for that. Nice seeing you guys. See ya.